Bark, bark, redeem. Drong, you have to do the redeems with me, okay? Since you're here, okay? Can you bark for me?
Bark, bark, bark.
No, you have to like actually bark like a dog, like.
I have neighbors. Please
So do
consider.
I, bitch. Bark.
But yours, I used to. I can do it in German instead.
Okay, bark in German.
Bell, 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 bell.
Is that really what dogs sound like in Germany?
No, but we call like barking. We call it bellen.
Bellen.
Which, no, close enough.
Look at us. We're such lovebirds. Look at. Oh, look how cute we are. We look like such darlings.
Darlings.
That's not how I talk.
Darlings.
That is not how I talk. I'm trying to give Drong a kiss. Come here. Mwah. Mwah. Mwah.